Assalamu alaikum, good morning my dear students. Today inshallah we are going to continue Unit 4 in Global English 7, which is about outdoor activities. Inshallah, today we are going to take lesson 3 and 4, which are pages 32 and 33. This page 32 is titled by Alana Goes to New Zealand. And in the previous lesson, we knew that's where's New Zealand, and we said it's in Asia. Well done. And we had known before that's about 2 islands, and one of these islands you can do a lot of activities there in New Zealand. Okay, today inshallah we're going to know a story about a girl. She is called Alana. Alana is going to New Zealand to visit someone. We're going to know later inshallah. But before we move to our lesson, I need to ask you a question. From your country or from your place now, how would you travel to New Zealand? By air or on the water or through or on land or whatever? Okay, let's have a look on page 32, which is about Alana Goes to New Zealand. If you looked here in this page 32, we have number of messages. I need you just in a few seconds to tell me how many messages or how many emails we have in whole page 32. Excellent. What's the number now? Yes, some of you maybe just you say 9, others say 8, but the correct answer is 10 messages. Yeah, we have 10 messages here in page 32. How come, Mr. Ahmed? That's if you look carefully, you are going to find there is a message is about picture E. That's a message, yeah. It's about a map, but it contains a message, and we are going to know that from the text, from the track. Okay, how would we know a message or email? So look again on page 32 and tell me how many emails are there. Yes, well done. Emails like picture A, picture B, picture H, or I, like those. What about messages? How many text messages are there? Like picture C and picture G. Okay, let's continue the question. What else is there? So we have 2 pictures or 2 messages. They are different. Like picture E, as we said, it's about a map, and picture F, it's about an advert. Yeah. Okay. Let's move to question 2. Who is going on a journey? Who is traveling? Yes, Alana is traveling. Okay, who is she going to visit? Alana is going to visit her aunt Paula. Well done. Okay, now just we have another activity. We have 10 messages, as we said. I need, please, from all of you to pause the video now for 2 minutes exactly. Have a look on those messages and try to number them or to put them in the correct order. So message A, what do you think about it? Which number is it? And where is the first message between Alana and Paula? So can you guess what's the first message? Excellent. The first message, I'm going to help you at the first one. Okay, take 2 minutes and then tell me what are the answers. Thank you, my students. Okay, now let's listen to track 9 and know the correct order for the messages. Are you ready? Please, before listening, prepare a piece of paper and a pen to write down the questions which are in exercise 4. So we have here 6 questions and we need to answer them and put the messages in the correct order. Okay?
You won't need any special equipment.
Hi, Auntie Paula. I'm coming to see you in December. Mum's just booked the ticket. I leave on the 21st and I arrive on the 22nd. I can't wait. Love, Alana.
2.
Hi, Alana. I'm really pleased that you're coming. We'll have a great time. Love, Paula.
3.
Hi, Auntie Paula. What shall I bring with me? What's the weather going to be like? Am I going to need wet weather gear? I want to go kayaking and whitewater rafting. Do I need to bring a helmet and a life jacket? Love, Alana.
4.
Hi, Alana. You won't need any special equipment. It's all provided. And you won't need waterproof stuff. We've got lots here, and in any case it'll be summer. But bring a wetsuit if you've got one, because we'll be surfing at Whale Bay. Paula.
5.
Thanks, Auntie Paula. I haven't got a wetsuit, but we're going to get one tomorrow. Alana.
6.
That's 400 Malaysian ringgits, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your surfing. Thanks, I will.
7.
I've got a wetsuit. I've packed my bag. I've checked in online. And I've got my boarding pass, so I'm all set. Alana.
8.
As you'll see, ladies and gentlemen, we're flying down the coast towards Singapore. We will be flying at an altitude of 10,000 meters and...
9.
I've just checked on the internet, and your plane's on time. I'm leaving for the airport now, and I'll be waiting for you in the coffee bar near where you come through from the baggage reclaim. See you soon, Paula.
10.
I'm just waiting for my bag to come through. See you in a minute. Alana.
Okay, thanks my guys. Now, did you succeed to put the items in the correct order? So, for example, what's the first message? Yes, the first one, it's picture. Yes, picture I, this one. So we can write number 1. What about number 2? Number 2, which is about message B. And the third message, picture D. And number 4, A. Number 5, J. And I think that you got all the answers. Okay, now, have you prepared the answers for the questions? Okay, let's check. Question 1. When is Alana going to New Zealand? So the answer is she's going to New Zealand on 21st December. And that's it in picture I. Number 2. Which outdoor pursuit does she want to try? Which activity does she want to try? So the answer is kayaking, that's the first one, and the second one, whitewater rafting. Alana wants to try kayaking and whitewater rafting. Question 3. What will she need when she goes surfing? Alana needs a wetsuit. Great. Question 4. What's the weather going to be like? I'm sorry. The weather will be good. It's not cold and it's not wet. Question 5. Where is the plane when the pilot speaks to me? Where's the correct position? Look carefully at the map and tell me the position for the plane when the pilot speaks to the passengers. Excellent. The plane, it was going towards Singapore. Her direction, if you looked here carefully, it's going to Singapore. The last question, where will Paula be waiting for Alana? Excellent. She will be waiting her in the coffee bar at the airport. These are the answers for exercise 4. And inshallah, we are going to continue tomorrow the grammar lesson, which is about the expressing the future, inshallah, and we are going to cover lesson 4, and we are going to end unit 4. Thank you.